Hello, Ebusuafo. Today we are going to do classic Akutia battle and replies. I mean, Daddy Lumba na Oye Nana Acheampong wonyum for every occasion. And so now let's do this. When it comes to funeral songs, Daddy Lumba na Nana Acheampong, them day. And this is Nana Acheampong. So this is Lumba. Now let's do Akutia for lovers and other people in relationships. And this is Nana Acheampong. So this is Lumba. Right after that, there is a Akutia for every fake friends, and Daddy Lumba and Nana Acheampong. Whoa, back to back. And this is Nana Acheampong. So this is Lumba. Our ex-I, a penise Akutia mama na see Daddy Lumba na Nana Acheampong. And this is Nana Acheampong. So this is Lumba. Okay, what boss this there being one? This is Akutia for your boss. And this is Nana Acheampong. So this is Lumba. How about Akutia for our side chicks? And this is Nana Acheampong. So this is Lumba. I mean, what's Akutia without haters? Akutia is purposely meant for your haters. And this is Nana Acheampong. So this is Lumba. But on the funeral button, there were funeral songs specially made for family people. And this is it. So this is Lumba. How about say Akutia nyom for your girlfriends. No, your boyfriend or girlfriend. This is Akutia nyom for you. And this is Nana Acheampong. So this is Lumba.
Mommy see me back when you dream of it and until for your voice. Said you even go be an irascible. And once I know Joey back for you.
But the one thing that always stands out in the day, way be I want my shout out to a new Daddy Lumba and Nana Acheampong, whose own is more dapper. And this is Nana Acheampong.
I don't know my son making a Miami producer, Graham watching out to Hamburg. Nasam no. Sana Poku Mensa, I also Hamburg one or one. Almost me for don't try in nature.
So this is Lumba.
All be lie.
DJ Paco Rich.